everyone, my name is Zero, and welcome to ATP. Today I will be going over AWN. Once logged in on the website, you will be brought to this screen. You will select Squad Ops as your organization. Here, you can see the servers listed under Squad Ops. You can also access this screen by clicking Game Servers. When you click one of the servers, you'll be brought to this new screen. Here, you can choose to update the server, restart the server. When there are players in the server, you will be able to view them here, and you can also search them. You can also access this by clicking the Players tab. Under the Controls tab, here, you'll be brought to this. You can choose to broadcast a message for everyone on the server to see. You can chat to the other admins that are on the server. You can set the server password if needed, and you can change the current map. Here, you can set the next map. You can enable or disable always valid placement. Here, you can disable all kits available, and enable or disable vehicle claiming. Match actions, you got restart the match, end the match, pause the match, and unpause the match. On the next screen, we have the ban list. For AWN, you can have multiple ban lists. Currently, we only have the main ban list for public and the event server. This is just a test, but it shows their Steam 64, the name, the reason they were banned, the date that the ban expires on, who was banned by, and the day of the ban. Here, under Actions, you can click any notes to choose to add any notes for that player, or you can choose to remove them. If you want to add players to the ban list, you can click Add Banned Players. There's Steam 64, the reason, and then the length. Currently, unless untold to do so, you will only do permanent bans. Next, we have server messages. These messages are displayed in the chat box for every player. You can choose to add a message or delete other messages. In the map rotations, you can just click this to add any map to the rotation for that server. You can also change the order, and you can choose to delete maps from the rotation. In the settings tab, this is the settings for each server. Unless told to do so, you should not be messing with these. The Steam Workshops mod, you can choose to add any mod in the Steam Workshop for Squad to the server. And in the details, there's just some minor details for the server. Next, when you click Users, this displays any users that are part of the Squad Ops organization that have made an account with AWN. Currently, it's a short list, but Barton will be transferring the SOAP users over to AWN shortly. Under Roles, it will show you the roles for the Squad Ops organization under AWN. Under the ban list, this is another way to access the ban list, the main ban list, and what I showed you earlier. Next, just to add, you can choose to edit your profile by clicking this, whether you want to change your username, your email, or your Steam 64. And then this button right here will allow you to exit and log out. This will conclude the video. I hope this helps you become more familiar with AWN.